Hey, my name's Adam. Don't normally do this, but thought this was a cool trick. I see people kind of complaining about this all the time, so I thought I'd do a little video on it. It's about Sennheiser wireless systems manager and about how people have a tough time getting their microphones that they use all the time to show up in the correct order every time they open the app. They're tired of rearranging stuff and all that kind of stuff. So I wanted to show you two things that I think most people don't know that will make your life easier. And anyway, let me flip the camera around here. Okay, so normally you open up the app and it looks like this. And the microphones are not in order. It just seems to randomly select whatever it wants. So two things here. One is if you go to channel and go to channel sorting, this is kind of a helpful trick for like my microphones. You can see are already labeled because I use them all the time. But if you were launching a new system and you didn't have any labels in and you didn't know which microphone was which, you can open up this channel sorting thing and then go over to your transmitters, which I'll do here. Sorry, I think I said transmitters. I meant receivers or transmitters if they're in-ears. But anyway, I've got some microphones here. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the sync button here and hold it in. And then see how it says sorted. I'm just going to do that in the order that I want these things to show up. So if it's a new system and they're not labeled in the software, you can do this however you have them racked, and then it will sort them in the way that you hold the buttons in. So we are back here at the computer, and you can see all my stuff's in there. I had 4 IEM transmitters that I put in there that you didn't see, but because I have names on, you can actually tell that they are in fact in order now. So that's pretty cool. So now we're just going to hit next. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hit new scene here and then just type something in here like default or whatever you want to call it. Maybe you want to call it the name of your show or whatever. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Hit finish, and then you'll see it'll re-sort everything. And down here in the lower left, you get that new scene. The master scene stays the same, but this guy is what we're looking for. So all we have to do now is go to File, and then Save Configuration, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit Save, and I already had saved it, so just hit Yes. And then here's the part that most people don't get. This default configuration, and then I want to use a default configuration file, and we are going to grab the file that we just saved, and then hit Open, and then OK. So now if we close this and reopen the app, we should get the scene that we saved with our microphones in order. So anyway, I hope that helps everybody. That's all I got. Thanks.